On the right.
That guy up here on top.
Yeah.
I got him.
Yeah, I know. Great. I hit it. I hit it down. Cover me. Wait. Good. Don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot. I stole his vehicle. I stole him. Get in, get in, get in, get in, get in. Yes, faster, fast, 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 fast. Let's destroy the hour. Yeah. we lose a vehicle, no?
Yeah, you need repair.
Now we have one more chance. Yeah. We have one more vehicle than that team. Understand?
No.
No. Now we have one more LAV than
okay.
than enemy team. Because I destroyed our
yeah.
our
So
LAV.
they screwed.
So it will be spawned to us, to our team.
To our advantage.
And this is the enemy LAV.
Yeah. We're using one of theirs, so they're less and we get more.
Yeah. Yeah.
Have eyes on enemy sniper. Just west of your location.
Inside the gas station.
Soldiers, attack this objective.
A sniper here, behind the truck. On the way. Yes. Another truck. A truck.
Got it.
Yeah, got him. Okay.
That's a hell of a game there, Flick.
Yeah. Is it recording?
Yeah, I started it again.
You will see when I stole him.
Yeah, we got it.
Behind you. Fuck. Chopper, shoot the chopper.
Be advised, we just neutralized objective Delta. Listen up. We now control objective Charlie.
We got LAV, enemy LAV with us. On our team.
Look.
I've spotted a hostile chopper west of your current location.
Pretty good game. Anybody else shooting at us?
2 alive. On the ladder. I'll repair, cover me.
I got him. He was shooting at us, I got him.
Yeah.
Listen up. We've just neutralized objective Alpha.
Ah, 2 guys there. No.
Got him.
Great. No, they got me.
Did they?
Please, please drive to base. Oh, try it.
Spotted front down.
Yeah, move. Ah. Yeah, I'm here. I'm repairing.
I'm killing the shit out of you guys, man.
All right, thanks.
What a son of a bitch. Idiot.
Objective Alpha.
I got him.
Yeah.
Boy, I'm good at long range, man.
The robot.
We've just neutralized objective Alpha.
Burn it.
We now control objective Alpha.
They hate us.
Hostile helicopter west of your position.
What a round.
Yeah, really. We're still using our tank.
Yeah. It's so hard.
Fucking kicking their ass.
You got 12-3.
You do?
You.
Me?
You. Yeah. 12.
A 12 streak?
12. 3. 3. 3.
Oh, okay.
3 dice.
Men, attack this objective.
There's another one on the ladder. Don't burn. Oh, okay. Behind you. I can't move. Behind you. Here, on the right.
Objective Echo now under our control.
Just got one. Oh man!
Objective Bravo has been neutralized.
What?
I fall out. I'm fall on the water, and
Oh.
I die.
I'm still sitting here.
Yeah.
You want me to come and get you?
No,
Oh.
I'm here again. Follow me.
Okay. Might as well repair while you're down there.
I'm Dale. I don't know how can I say. I jump it.
Wake up! I need a ride! Be advised, just neutralized objective Delta. Have eyes on it. LED just rest on your current position.
Yeah, man. You're doing better.
I'm bad, ain't it?
You're good. Yeah, you're bad. Careful with the E. Yes. Yes, 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 yes.
Here, let me patch you up.
He's still alive. Let me kill him.
That's funny shit. I just killed that guy there.
On the right. You got the already got him. Got him. Fuck you.
Defend this objective.
Vehicle. Chopper.
Objective Charlie has been neutralized. Have eyes on hostile helicopter. Keep them in your position.
Chopper. Let's cause some damage. Behind you. Save his life. Yeah. Idiot.
Objective Charlie. Listen up. We've lost control of objective Alpha. This is the current objective. Thanks!
Car's coming.
I got it.
Fuck you. We are the champions. Don't say it.
I got shit out of everybody. Bad to the bone. Nah. Bad.
That. Yeah.
Just west of where you are.
How good is that?
Just neutralized
hiding there. Man, you will be surprised when you how many kills you are. Done. Thank you. Yeah.
Oh, wow, man. That was a great game.
17,
That was
3.
bad.
You.
Let's see what we did. I was 17-3. Ah, dang, man. That was cool as shit.